Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to announce the winner of the SJ-RG01 FPV goggles. This giveaway was sponsored by Hobbycool, so thanks again for sponsoring this giveaway. I actually want to do this video on another video where I review a product, but unfortunately I didn't finish editing the video on time, so I'm announcing the winner in a dedicated video. The results actually just took place a couple of minutes ago where I broadcasted it live on my Facebook page, so if you want you can go ahead to my Facebook page and watch the full live feed for yourself. But now I'm going to show you what happened in this giveaway and I'm going to announce the winner. Participating in this giveaway was very simple. All you had to do is just to leave a comment on my review, and in order to select the winner I used a YouTube random comment selector and I chose 5 random commenters, and then I just choose randomly a number between 1 to 5 to choose the winner. This is the list of the subscribers who left the comments that were picked up, and these are M. Borga, Mike Rogers, Jason Hemans, JC Ariel, and Trevor Fennell, who watched it live on my Facebook page. And now I chose a random number between 1 to 5 in order to choose the winner, and the number that showed up was number 3. So the winner of this giveaway is Jason Hemans. Now I chose another number just in order that Jason Hemans won't be qualified, and the runner-up, who didn't win anything this time but will win it in case Jason won't be qualified, and actually I checked and he's qualified, so now it doesn't matter, and the runner-up is JC Ariel. So you're the runner-up, better luck next time, and this was just a backup plan if Jason won't be qualified to be a winner. So congratulations Jason, both on the baby and on winning this giveaway. Just send me a private message on YouTube so I can make sure that this is your account, and I've checked, he's my subscriber and is qualified, so everything is legit. Again, I would like to thank Hobbycool for sponsoring this giveaway, and I would like to thank all my subscribers for your continued support, and your continued support means more good content on my YouTube channel and also means more giveaways in the future. As always, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.